is minus g comma minus f. Next, third one, the radius of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is square root of g square plus h square minus c. Next one, equation of circle, very important formula, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here center is h comma k, radius is r. Next formula, equation of the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. Here c is 0 comma 0, radius is r. So these are the important formulas in this topic. So first Roman problems, find the equation of the circles with center and radius where c is equal to 2 comma minus 3 and r is equal to 4. Students, see this, here center and radius are given. So we can find the equation of the circle. So see the answer, given center c is equal to h comma k is equal to 2 comma minus 3, radius r is equal to 4. Next formula is equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So here h comma k is 2 comma minus 3, r is 4. Substitute h, k and r values in this formula. So that is x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 4 square. Here we can use the identity, algebraic identity, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So substitute x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 4 square. Expand this form, that is x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 plus 6y is equal to 4 square value 16. Again, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y, 4 plus 3, 9, 13 is equal to 16. So 16, RHS lo 16, LHS lo koste minus 16 is equal to 0. The required equation is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the solution of this problem. Very easy problem. This is 2 marks problem, students. Next, homework problem. 2 and 3 problems are homework problems. Next page. Next, fourth problem is c is equal to minus a comma minus b, r is equal to square root of a square minus b square. So same method of problem. Given center c is equal to h comma k is equal to minus a comma minus b, radius r is equal to square root of a square minus b square. So again formula, equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Substitute h, k and r values. Then x plus a whole square plus y plus b whole square is equal to square root of a square minus b square whole square. So expand x plus a whole square, x square plus a square plus 2ax plus y square plus b square plus 2by is equal to square root of a square minus b square whole square cancellation. Next again a square minus b square in RHS. Next x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by plus a square plus b square minus a square plus b square is equal to 0. Then last one, x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by plus 2b square is equal to 0 is the required equation of the given circle. Okay, next problem. Next problem is fifth one also homework problem. Next, sixth problem, c is equal to cos alpha comma sin alpha, r is equal to 1. Here center is cos alpha comma sin alpha. So radius is r is equal to 1 is given. So given that center, radius, rasa. Next equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Then substitute h, k and r values. Then x minus cos alpha whole square plus y minus sin alpha whole square is equal to 1 square. Then expand x minus cos alpha whole square. Then x square plus cos square alpha minus 2x cos alpha plus y square plus sin square alpha minus 2y sin alpha is equal to 1. Then x square plus y square plus, here one trigonometry identity is there. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. Then minus 2x cos alpha minus 2y sin alpha is equal to 1. Already we know sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. Then x square plus y square is equal to 1. X square plus y square plus 1 minus 2x cos alpha minus 2y sin alpha minus 1 is equal to 0. So here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Then remaining answer is x square plus y square minus 2x cos alpha minus 2y sin alpha is equal to 0. Okay, next problem is 7th problem. C is equal to 0, 0, R is equal to 9. Given center C is equal to H, K is equal to 0, 0, radius R is equal to 9. Then equation of circle is, formula is x minus H whole square plus y minus K whole square is equal to R square. So this is very easy problem. So here given center is 0, 0. Substitute H, K values and R value also. Then x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 9 square. Then the answer will be x square plus y square is equal to 9 square 81. This is very easy problem. Easy problem. Next. Next problem, students. Question is C is equal to 5 by 2 comma minus 4 by 3, R is equal to 6. Here center is given in fraction form. So listen, students. Center C is equal to H, K is equal to 5 by 2 comma minus 4 by 3 and radius R is equal to 6. Equation of circle formula is x minus H whole square plus y minus K whole square is equal to R square. Substitute H, K values and R values also. Then minus 5 by 2 whole square plus y plus 4 by 3 whole square is equal to 6 square. So expand this form, x square plus 5 by 2 whole square minus 2 into x into 5 by 2 plus y square plus 4 by 3 whole square plus 2 into y into 4 by 3. This is in a plus b whole square form is equal to R square value 36. Next, x square plus value 5 to square is 25 by 4. Next, 2 to get cancelled, minus 5x plus y square plus 16 by 9 plus 8y by 3 is equal to 36. Again, x square plus y square minus 5x plus 8y by 3. Remaining parts, remaining constant parts, 25 by 4 plus 16 by 9 minus 36 is equal to 0. So total LCM is 36. Next, numerator is 36 square plus 36y square minus 180x plus 96y plus 225 plus 64 minus 1296 is equal to 0. Next, again 36 into 0 is equal to 0. The required solution is 36x square plus 36y square minus x plus 96 minus 1008 is equal to 0. Student, practice this problem. Very easy problem and very important problem also. Next, 9th problem, 10th problem also, home problems. Next, second problem. Find the equation of the circle passing through the origin and having the center at minus 4 comma minus 3. So find the equation of the circle. Next time, origin. Origin means O of 0 comma 0. Center C is equal to minus 4 comma minus 3 are given. So see the answer. Given center C is equal to minus 4 comma minus 3 and point on the circle P is origin means 0 comma 0. Next, radius R is equal to CP. Already you have learned in last class distance formula. R is equal to CP. That means square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here C is equal to minus 4 minus 3. P is 0 comma 0. Substitute that formula, distance formula, then square root of 0 plus 4 whole square plus 0 plus 3 whole square. That is equal to 4 square plus 3 square equal to 6, square root of 16 plus 9. That is equal to square root of 25 is equal to 5. Root of 25 is 5. Here R is 5. The equation of circle formula is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Substitute h, k and r values. Then x plus 4 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 5. X this formula, x square plus 16 plus 8x plus y square plus 9 plus 6y, 5 square value is 25. Minus 25 is equal to 0. Then the required answer is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 6y is equal to 0. Next problem, students. Okay, students. Next homework problem. Third one, fourth one, fifth one also homework problems. Next, coming to sixth problem. Find the value of a if 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 represents a circle and also find its radius. So here, see this answer, students. This is breaking. Break, voice break. So students, here third one, fourth one, fifth one problems, homework. Next, coming to sixth problem. Find the value of a if 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 represents a circle and also find its radius. So value of a find out cheyali. Next radius kuda find out chemanadu. Given the circle equation is 2x square plus ay square minus 3x minus plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 in the equation of the circle. So one condition is there, coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. So therefore a value is 2. X square coefficient is 2. So y square coefficient is a. So therefore a is equal to 2. Then the equation is 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Then total equation is divided by 2. Then x square plus y square minus 3 by 2x plus y minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Next, radius formula. Radius r is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. Next, here, see students, comparing this equation with general form. General form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So comparing this, 2g is equal to minus 3 by 2, then g is equal to minus 3 by 4. Next again, 2f is equal to 1, then f value is 1 by 2. C value is minus 1 by 2. Next, radius r is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. So substitute g value, f value and c value, then square root of minus 3 by 4 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2. So then square root of minus 3 by 4 whole square value 9 by 16 plus 1 by 2 whole square value plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Here LCM is 16. Next numerator is 9 plus 4 plus 8. That is square root of 21 by 16. That is equal 21 by 4. This is the radius of the given circle. Next. Okay, next page students, seventh problem. Seventh problem also homework. Find the value of A, if ax square plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0, represents a circle. Also find the radius and center of the circle. So the very easy problem. A value find out cheyandi and center and radius also we can find. Next, eighth problem. If x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f5 minus 12 is equal to 0 represents a circle with center 2, 3 and find g, f and its radius. Here in the question, we have given the circle equation. G, and its radius. Given center C is equal to 2, 3 and C value is minus 12. Already given in the problem. Next formula is center C is equal to minus G, minus F. Comparing G values, minus G is equal to 2, then G is minus 2. Minus F is equal to 3, then F is equal to minus 3. So then radius R is equal formula is square root of G square plus F square minus C. So substitute G, F, C values. So G is minus 2 whole square plus F is minus 3 whole square plus 12. So C value is minus 12. So here substitute C value minus 12. So therefore, minus 2 whole square value 4 plus minus 3 whole square value 9 plus 12. So add this, square root of 25 is equal to 5. So here radius is 5. Next, ninth problem, students. So if x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0 represents a circle with center minus 4, minus 3, then find f and its radius. Here also given one circle equation and center, find g, f. Students. So if x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2yfy is equal to 0 represents a circle with center minus 4, minus 3, then find g, f and its radius. So once again and repeat this answer. So give 4 square value 16 plus 3 square value 9. Then square root of 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. So answer is 5. So here radius is equal to 5. Then coming to next problem. C equation is given and radius also given. Find the value of C. So see the answer, students. Given circle is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c is equal to 0. First we can do compare this equation with general form. So what is general form? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. That is general form of circle. So comparing this equation with 2z is equal to minus 4, then z is equal to minus 2. 2f is equal to 6, then f value 3. Then c is not given, so c is equal to c. Then given radius r is equal to 6. So radius formula is square root of g square plus f square minus c is equal to 6. Squaring on both sides, then square root of g square plus f square minus c whole square is equal to 6 square. So square root cancellation. Remaining g square plus f square minus c is equal to 6 square value 36. Substitute minus 2 and 3 values. G, f place lo minus 2, 3 values substitute. Then minus 2 whole square plus 3 square minus c is equal to 36. Then 4 plus 9 minus c is equal to 36. 4 plus 9 value 13. 13 minus c is equal to 36. Then minus c is equal to 36 minus 13. Minus c is equal to 23. Then c value is minus 23. This is the c value of this given equation. So very easy problems. These are all 2 marks questions, students. Very important questions. So we do homework problems also.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Sir?
Hello.
Chepma.
Ma'am, in a sixth problem lo coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square undi kada ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Our relation problem lo ivvaledu kada ma'am.
Our relation ivvaledu gani, that is one method, one formula.
Okay.
Coefficient of x square, any problem. Coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square.
Okay, ma'am.
Students, sixth problem.
చెప్పండి మేడం.
I will repeat once again sixth problem. Find the value of a if 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 0 represents a circle, and also find its radius. So given equation is 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So here one condition is there in circle chapter. Coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. This is one condition ma. So here x square యొక్క కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ 2, y స్క్వేర్ యొక్క కోఎఫిషియంట్ a ఇచ్చారు. సో మనం ఈక్వల్ చేయాలి. కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x స్క్వేర్ is equal to కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ y స్క్వేర్. సో దెన్ a value is 2. Then circle equation is 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So here we can divide all the equation is divided by 2. So because so ఎప్పుడు కూడా x స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ 1 ఉండాలి మనకి. దెన్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈజ్ x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 3/2x ప్లస్ y మైనస్ 1/2 is equal to 0. So here equation is comparing this equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this is general form. Compare this equation with x square plus y square minus 3/2x plus y minus 1/2 is equal to 0. So here 2z is equal to minus 3/2. So x coefficient is minus 3/2. Then 2z is equal to minus 3/2. Z is equal to minus 3/4. Next again. Next again, 2f is equal to 1, then 1/2. Then c value 1/2. So here we can find radius. Radius formula is square root of g square plus f square minus c. So substitute g comma f comma c values. So then square root of minus 3/4 whole square plus 1/2 whole square plus 1/2. So that is square root of 9/16 plus 1/4 plus 1/2. So LCM is 16. The numerator is 9 plus 4 plus 8. So that is equal to square root of 21/16. That is equal to square root of 21 by root 16 value 4. So this is the answer. Very important question mark. So any question we can write. So coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. This is condition in circle chapter. Okay, students?
Okay, ma'am.